everyone, welcome to Chiaki's Recipe Lab. Have you ever tried classic borscht before? I've never been to Ukraine, but one of my Ukrainian friends told me how to make homey style borscht. Borscht is a sour soup with beef, beets, carrots, and potato and other vegetables. If you skip beef, you can also make this recipe with chicken or lamb or pork. Or it can be made completely vegetarian too. You guys are going to love this beautiful color and taste of this amazing borscht. Alright, let's get cooking! Here are the ingredients you will need. Raw beets, also you can use boiled beets. Tomato, onion, carrots, potato, red wine, garlic, herbs, sour cream, beef, olive oil, bay leaf, and salt and pepper. Oh, and also you can add cabbage and beans instead of onion and tomato. First, in the small pot, put the beef and red wine. Let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes until the beef is tender. Since the meat will take the longest, it is best to cook it on its own first. This way we can also avoid overcooking the vegetables. Don't throw any of this out. The liquid is now the start of delicious soup stock. Just pull out the meat and filter the liquid with some disposable filter paper. Next is all vegetable prep. Cut it small or use slicer to cut into fine strips, like this. For this recipe, we are cooking the beets together with the other vegetables as it is easier and quicker, also great flavor. However, by taking off the skin before cooking, the beets can lose their color and almost turn white. So if you want them to stay nice and red, cook them with the skin on first, then peel and toss back in near the end. Place a large pot over medium heat and add olive oil. Also, I'm going to add the garlic. This garlic going to add so much incredible flavor. Next, I'm going to add sliced onion and cut into stripped carrots and one large diced potato. And I like to add beets now, but when you simmer it longer, the raw beets color will change. So also you can add boiled beets after all vegetables are tender. Just toss this all together with spatula and I'm going to saute this mixture for about 5 minutes until the vegetables are tender. And I'm going to add into their beef cut into about 1-inch chunks and then return beef into the pot and toss salt and pepper. And add the beef stock. Also you can add the bay leaf before simmer. Bring that to a low boil and continue cooking for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally until the vegetables are softened. I'm going to add fresh herbs. This is a chopped parsley and a dill. It makes a gorgeous flavor. And I like to enjoy with my borscht with a little bit of sour cream on top. And also I like to add those fresh dill over the top. Looks so yummy. If you like this video, comment below and make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye!
Yummy! Yummy!
If you want me to try something or there's a recipe you want to see on our channel, let me know in a comment below. Next, our video will be a corn recipe series. See you then. Bye!